Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. Going to have a look at the coffee market now. Having a look at the quote report for what happened the past week and see what could be ahead of us for the coming days. And yes, so let's start with the quote report. We could see that major drop from 105. That was major support area that broke down to the lower end of the channel at 95, and during that time the quote report is showing open interest increasing. We have the managed money obviously that increased the short position, and pretty much quite bearish report, with the swap dealers also edging for further potential move down with adding long position. So that was a solid move down. Could be the start of the continuation of the downtrend. If we look at that channel between that line up and that one at the downside, but of course we got that trend line running here, currently sitting at 99. That's been offering support in the past. So we can see on the 4 hours here, and is now acting as a resistance for the price to move up. So we need to get the price reintegrating that channel for the uptrend to continue further up to the 25 target we had. So back to the 1 hour, we had following that divergence here, so we had a move up, did clear the divergence up to 999, then we got rejection at that level and then move back down, and again another bounce to the 96 that did establish temporary higher low. So potentially we might have a reversal here, but limited potential in my opinion. They will definitely struggle to actually get past that trend line here. So we'll be watching that level here, but expecting next week a move higher to 102 and potentially some further some more consolidation as we move inside that triangle, and for some resolution potentially next week, end of next week, either breaking out or breaking down. So we will see. In my opinion, it's a 50-50 possibility at this point. Also the price is pointing for, of course, much more upside potential than the downside, but should we break that level at 95, we could see that acceleration on the downside inside that channel. So should we exit here, then we can start looking at more of the previous scenario again, which was a retest of that trend line we had here. So running from that top to that top here, right, and yes, breaking out at that point potentially could lead for another retracement. So now sitting relatively low at 117, so the target has changed significantly lower because of that move down we had here. But still it's a possibility, and of course the other scenario would be a breakdown from that point and continuation to the downside. First stop is probably sitting at 93, and the next support at 87, but that would be definitely a very bad sign should we actually get back down here. So hoping for the long position that we'd stay inside that triangle and breaking out for further move on the upside. Yeah, that's all on coffee. I wish you safe trading, and I speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.